Hi everyone, today is going to be interesting day because I'm gonna do range test on my one wheel, and it's actually not gonna be like regular range test because I want to compare my yesterday running to actually how far I can do on one wheel. Of course, it's not gonna be 16 kilometers, almost 10 miles, so actually almost half a marathon because it's 30 miles to do half a marathon, so like I'm pretty sure one wheel can't really do this, but I really want to see how far actually I can go on one wheel, and also I want to see how much time it will take me, because actually my average speed is like 6 minutes to do 1 kilometer, so let's say if I want to do 10 kilometers it's like 6 times 10. And it's 1 hour, okay, so I wonder how fast it's gonna be actually on one wheel. I'm pretty sure it's not gonna take 6 minutes to do 1 kilometer on one wheel. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be much faster. And with that question, I want to start this video with intro and make this video happen. Also, I realized I really need to charge one wheel, so it's not gonna be right now. I need to wait for it to charge 200% and then I'll go. But for you it's gonna be a few seconds. So right now I am on my almost first mile. I am on, you can see here, 0.8 miles, and I did it in 8 minutes and 17 seconds. Very long time actually. It's almost like me running, or even worse. Alright, here we go. You can see I'm on my first mile and it took me 9 minutes and 14 seconds. So it's kind of long, I believe. I'm looking at this and really it took me so long to get there. I'm pretty sure I would be much faster when I would just run. And here you can see also very steep hill. Of course on video it's almost impossible to see. The hardest part probably in skateboard, or actually on skateboard, I would not do it. Here I actually might do it. Yep, I did it. That's actually very impressive. There's no way I could do it even on electric scooter. 1.2 miles, 12 minutes. Alright, now I feel pretty... I mean, might as well go with it. Alright, but I feel confident that I'm not gonna do 10 kilometers on one wheel because I just saw 15 minutes. 6.2 miles is 10 kilometers and I'm on 3.8. And it's almost 1 hour, so actually riding on one wheel looks like it's much longer than me just running. I mean, maybe there's still a chance that I can do 6.2 miles. I'm on 3.9, but it's not very promising when I'm looking at 52 minutes already made. Actually 53. I just need to add one more thing. I changed street just to say this. So basically I really prefer actually running. Much more I prefer running than riding on one wheel. Don't get me wrong, one wheel is just incredible to just have fun and stuff like this, but while running I'm so proud of myself for fiercely starting and also ending the run, just knowing that I did what I really wanted to do and I achieved my goal. And also while running I can look at the end of the street and just say to myself, wow, there's the end. But actually when I run there, it's just the beginning of something else, which is just amazing to me. But riding on one wheel have just its own perks that are so much better sometimes than running. Like let's say right now I am having coffee in one hand and recording myself while still keeping my camera stable, which is impossible while running. Also, listening to Coach Banner from Nike Plus is just something on another level. Everyone need to try it, really. It's just so much easier to run, making longer distances and just having more fun. Also, this is my speed and I love this person that is running right there. And this is my speed that I'm riding, my one wheel. I'm not trying to go faster because I just care by myself very much. Also right now I have 1 hour and 2 minutes. Guess what? I made just 4.8 miles. It's not even close 6 miles. Riding on one wheel is much slower than just running. Is it surprising to me that one wheel is actually slower on average than just running? Yes, I am surprised. Maybe not that much because I'm also not riding very fast because I even just can't go really fast on one wheel, so that's first point. I guess that's why I'm still using my skateboard to go on longer distances, because it's much faster and easier to ride electric skateboard. Maybe not easier, but it's just more practical, I think. Alright, I'm on mile 6.2 right now, and Siri, get out. I just need to have like at least 1 minute break. Like, I don't want to have more than 1 minute because time is time. So that's why I'll just wait right now for my legs to stop hurting. Alright, that should be enough. It's 32, it's almost 33, I believe. So let's go again on one wheel and start riding. No, it's still not 33, but it's good enough. My legs feeling much better right now after the short breaks. Alright, so I'm not riding right now because I just needed to check my wheel and it's very good. I'm very glad that it's so thick. But what happened, someone broke wine glass. It's right there on the street and I ran into this on the street. So I called my deli to order a sandwich with pastrami. It's just incredible, but yeah, this is like 2 minutes of the time. At the end I will remove like 5 minutes from the total, I guess. Alright, I have about 10% of battery right now, so that's my time to go home now. I'll do maybe one more spin around the block because I want to see if I can go to 1%, and after that right away to home. My board just nosedived on me. Yeah, 5 miles per hour, very fun. But anyway, I'll go again. This car right here saw it. I still will try to go to 1%. 1% of battery. We'll see if I can do it. I will not push the board. I don't want to nosedive again. Alright, that's interesting. I see red light and my board is stopping me so much right now, putting nose up and slowing me down. Alright, so now you can see how it is looking when there's no battery, and one wheel actually is trying to show you that it can't really go more. So you can see board is leveled right now, but when I'm trying to go forward, nose is going up to let me know that yeah, I shouldn't go more. And also this is how it's looking after my, let's say, nosedive at 5 miles per hour. Also, that's very interesting because actually last time I had 1% of battery and I was going for like maybe 1 mile on this 1% of battery. Right now you can see right here is 8% of battery and Bora is trying to tell me no, you can't go more. Also right now I can't even stand on a wheel because when I'm applying force, you can see Bart is just pretending like it's turned off. And that's the moment when you realize how heavy this thing is when you need to go to your home or subway or anywhere. Yeah, it's not very comfortable. Alright, I'm back and I'll tell you what I learned about one wheel and what maybe you should avoid, and also something that you would learn, because learning is very important and every moment that you can learn a little bit at least is better day for you. Maybe actually better for all of us. So basically I made 8.3 miles, maybe 8.4 or something between this. It took me actually about 2 hours, maybe just a tiny bit less, because sometimes I stop for something, let's say sandwich, just to pick it up, or pick it up coffee, like you saw that I had, and what else? At the end I didn't stop the timer when my board turned off and I wanted to record a little bit more, so let's say 10 minutes of the time. So let's be nice to the time, yeah. 1 hour and 50 minutes, let's say, maybe a little bit more actually, but let's say 1 hour and 50 minutes. I was on one wheel riding and I made 8 miles, so that's not very good, I think. Alright, what I learned actually is kind of interesting to me, because on average, let's say, I can do 10 kilometers in an hour. Okay, on one wheel I can do 9 kilometers in an hour. This is kind of funny to me because I didn't thought actually me riding gonna be faster than me riding on one wheel, but I guess it is what it is, and this is just something crazy to me that I just need to understand, I guess. It's so depressing because I did 13 and 4 kilometers in 1 hour and 50 minutes while doing more than 16 while running in 1 hour and 44 minutes. So it means I did 10 miles while running, yeah, and like 8 miles while riding on one wheel. And it really took me longer to do this. Also, I wasn't enjoying that much this moment on one wheel. It was more like suffering, maybe not suffering, but it was like just waiting for a battery to die. I really was like, god damn, how long more I need to ride this thing to kill it. And while running I'm just having so much fun that it's just I don't know, I'm speechless. I'm just really speechless how much fun I have while running. My sister said I might be sick because I can run so much, but yeah, that's me and I just love this. If there's sickness, then I can be sick forever. Also, what's great that I learned is that if I'm not pushing one wheel, then I can go even on 1% battery for a very long time. Really, like this 1% is there and it's there and it's there, it's just not changing. I can go and go and go when I'm not pushing the skateboard. If I'm gonna push just a little bit to go faster for a second, we're just gonna die and that's all. But I'm so happy to have it, and really just riding on sidewalk, riding in mall, riding anywhere, it's just so cool. And also I give this one wheel to my sister, to my brother. They both love one wheel. They learn so much. It's so much easier for them to learn how to ride one wheel than skateboard. On skateboard my sister just hate to ride, my brother just don't really want to because it's so hard, and one wheel they just few minutes and they already were riding. But now you know that one wheel actually can go more than advertised, because it's showing on a back 6 to 8. I did 8 point something, and okay, I wasn't really going very fast because I really care about my life, and if I want to go faster, you can see how comfortable I feel on a skateboard going fast, 30 almost 2 miles per hour, and one wheel I don't even want to hit 50. I mean, I don't want to hit 50, oh my, imagine going 50 on one wheel. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Now you know how far one wheel can go, and the fact that I'm faster than one wheel on average. So, I mean, actually I'm faster than one wheel just running, because yeah, 50 miles per hour is not that fast. So yeah, one wheel is more just to chill and cruise around. There's that. Okay, thank you for watching and see you in another video. And it's not gonna be one wheel video, by the way. I hope so, at least. Well, okay, bye.